A very warm welcome to the Cosmic Newscast, where I share with you all the top burning news in the world of space. I'm Riddhi and you are watching Cosmic Strip. LIGO, which is a gravitational wave detector, has recently observed a new event which happened in space. So a binary system is something in which two stars or two black holes move around each other in circles. What LIGO has found out is a new binary system in which one black hole and one neutron star revolve around each other. This is known as NSBH binary system. As you must have known by now, ISRO is planning to send humans into space. And if you did not know about this, तो भाई तुम कौन सी दुनिया से हो? So the rocket which will take them to space is human-rated GSLV Mark III. And on July 14th, it successfully completed its test of liquid propellants for the Vikas engine, which will be used in the rocket. SpaceX has recently developed a new drone ship named a shortfall of gravitas. A drone ship is nothing but a ship which will remain on the ocean, and it will be used for rocket launching and rockets landing. The special thing about this drone ship is that it is fully automated, which means no extra tugboat is required to carry it into the ocean. That's it for today. Hope you learned something from the video and thanks for watching.